What's going on YouTube? Tony here, and today's video we're going to be checking out the Z Flip4 battery test. Well, no, not the battery test, but battery results as to what type of battery life I'm getting on here. And before we get started, I want to mention that I am on T-Mobile, so your carrier and your network carrier signal strength is going to have an effect on your battery life. So if you have like T-Mobile and you're not getting real good signal, that may hinder your battery life. Same thing goes with Verizon, AT&T, and all the other sub carriers. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the battery. Just check me out. This is how I open my phone one-handed. So yeah, fingerprint reader on deck. Boom. And you can see these are the apps that I use like daily. I use these like every day. Not Facebook that much. Facebook Messenger a lot, but not Facebook that much. But I do use Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube Studio, Chrome, all these on the bottom. These are like my mains right here. And you can see everything that I have installed. These are all the apps that I use. And I've been using the phone for about, I'm gonna say about 5 days now. Let's go ahead and verify that. There's different ways to get into settings. You can hit this gear icon here, or you can just go into your app drawer and where is it? Find settings that way and get in here, and you can see here. Once you're in here, you just scroll down to battery and device care, and you can see here battery. It'll give you information on the battery, how much battery life you have left as far as hours, your storage, your memory, and your updates and stuff like that. So if you tap on battery, it says I have 1 hour 42 minutes. It is 8:50 p.m. and I'm at 9%. But before you get scared away, this has been off the charger for 16 hours and 47 minutes. And if you tap on this graph, it's gonna tell you how long you've used it. I used it for 16 hours, 9 minutes. Screen on time, 5 hours and 4 minutes. Screen off time, 11. And it basically shows you everything you've been using it on and how much time you've been spending on that particular app. You can see YouTube 3 hours, TikTok 52, Pandora, all that other stuff. This is all I've been, everything that shows up will be in here. And then if you tap on the last 7 days, it's going to give you a breakdown of, the first day I got it, which was on the 29th, and how many hours of on-screen time. And then you can see there, it keeps going up, and then today. But actually, this battery, it learns your usage, and then it gets better as it goes longer. So I would say like about a week to 5 days, it'll learn your usage methods, and it'll get better. So right now, you can see off the charger, 16 hours and 5 hours of on-screen time. Drop down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this battery life. I think it's pretty good for the battery capacity that's in here. I think that the processor is doing a great job, and the battery management or whatever or whatnot is working pretty good on here. I think I'm getting pretty good battery life. Everything is turned on, 60 hertz. 120 hertz is turned on. Let me see. And yeah, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the Z Flip battery life. I think it's pretty good. I've been using this cover display a lot, so that also helps you out with the battery life. Me mainly, I've been using it on my music app, skipping songs and stuff like that, pause and play. But yeah, I've been enjoying the phone so far. It's been a pleasant experience. The fingerprint reader is amazingly fast. I really like the fingerprint reader. Also has Face ID or Face Unlock. And yeah, man, look at that. We flexing on y'all. Drop a comment. We out.